Now, since the pandemic hit, people may have found themselves glued to their desks, be it working from home or starting their own business ventures. But many of us really overlook the need for a rather versatile desk setup. A standing desk may not be on everyone's mind, but the long-term benefits and improvements to both your work life and health, well, it certainly can't be overlooked. This is the S2 electric desk by Maidesite. Coming in at a current asking price of little over £300 for the complete setup, it promises to offer you a desk that can electrically be adjusted with a touch of a button. Not to mention also help people solve lumbar spine discomfort problems after sitting for long periods of time in the office or home environments. If you have a browse on our site, you will see there are ways to customize this. I went for the S2 option, which is 120cm by 60, but if you are after something bigger, then you could opt for the S2 Pro. This one comes in at a slightly bigger size of 140 by 70cm. Whatever you choose, you can fully customize your options with different color legs and tabletops to completely suit your needs. So there is a slight build process required, but nothing too difficult. It is pretty much screw and bolt. The setup comes in two separate boxes, the legs and the tabletop. Once we remove everything from the boxes and lay them out, you'll see it's not so daunting. I'm only really going to cover the basics here, as the instruction manual itself is very self-explanatory and detailed enough for pretty much anyone to build this on their own. We're going to start by laying out the central support, then we are going to add both the legs on either side. It's best not to fully tighten the screws until it's somewhat fully assembled. That's just so you can ensure everything is lined up perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and bolt the feet to the bottom of the frame, ensuring everything is lined up and in position. Now we can just simply place your tabletop upside down, exposing all the screw holes ready for us to simply place the legs on top and begin the easy process of bolting the main frame to the tabletop. To be honest, out of the whole process, this is probably the most time-consuming part. So that's the main desk built itself. Now let's go ahead and mount the main control panel. This is dead simple. It just simply screws into place using the two supplied wood screws. Plug up the motors to the main supply board, and finally plug it into the main control panel. And that's really it. There is some tedious jobs that are required for those who like cable management. Supplied in the box are some cable management clips along with the cable management cover. This allows you to tidy everything up and ensure that no cables are on show for a clean installed look, so I do recommend it. And there we go, the desk when completed, it does have quite a bit of weight to it, but that obviously comes with the territory of having motor controlled legs. The stability of this desk, it's rather impressive. No matter the size of space you're working with, in order to ensure the absolute stability of the height adjustable desk, during the height adjustment, the build uses a dual motor system that evenly distributes that lift, and thanks to a double support structure, you could most likely place anything on here without a wiggle. It has a load capacity of up to 100 kilograms, so you will be able to get a rather decent setup without the worry that the motors won't be able to do their jobs. A really clever and unique feature which certainly sets this apart from a lot of other desks on the market is its built-in anti-collision system, which not only helps to protect the desk but the objects in question. If the desk encounters a slight amount of resistance while being adjusted, the motors will reverse to keep the object in question unharmed and the desk in pristine condition. The tabletop is made from eco-friendly reusable materials, and although that might be the case, you would assume on first glances and interactions that this tabletop was made from solid wood. The quality is striking and it does feel indeed solid. I really like that they've opted for rounded corners, as it not only protects people from injury, but it looks modern and sleek. The main control panel looks rather nice and somewhat blends into the desk, not sticking out like a sore thumb. It does dim when not in use, which is a nice touch because for some of us it may be a little bit of a distraction. Touching it will reactivate it. The operation couldn't have been made any more easier. Holding the top and downward arrows will begin the adjustment, and then letting go will instantly stop that. It does feel rather smooth and responsive. There is no lag time between pressing it and letting it go. The ability to save preset heights is truly fantastic. I do a lot of videography work, and using this desk for that purpose is truly amazing. I can place the item I want to shoot on the desk and press my preset height. That way I haven't got to faff around trying to adjust my tripod. For those who need that gentle reminder to stop sitting and stand up and stretch, there is an option to set an alarm. This can be altered for different times like 30 minutes to a few hours. You'll get a gentle alarm sound and in turn should prompt you to get up off your chair and enjoy the flexibility of using it as a standing desk. If that wasn't enough from the control panel for you, you may be interested to know they have placed a rather convenient USB slot so that you can charge your devices or your phone. I actually opted to get their standing desk accessory kit, and this was certainly a great additional investment to not only utilise the space of this desk further, but create some more mobility to it. In the pack you get 4 silent and smooth legs to give you a rolling movement to the desk. This really does help me with work, as I was easily able to move the desk and adjust it to the perfect position whenever I wanted to. In the pack you also get this self-adhesive under desk drawer for storage. Not only does this look quite modern and clean, but it does allow me to organise all my cables and clutter, ensuring my desk maintains a minimalistic and tidy look. You also get a cable management tray and a rather nice headphone hook to ensure you've got a convenient location to grab it and go. I really am in awe of this desk, not only for its reasonable asking price, but its ability to look both modern and sleek, but also allowing the average consumer the ability to improve their work environment, in turn benefiting their overall health. Granted, a standing desk won't be for everyone, but that versatility in how you can position it may also benefit those looking for a surface area for photography, video work, creative hands-on tasks, and so much more. The stability within those legs and the actual overall adjustability means you get this smooth operation that's just partnered up with this overall premium look and feel. Take a look at this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. As always, till next time.